Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be going over the Burano Polygel Kit. I just want to show you what's included. You have your instruction manual, clear nail forms, which actually work really well with polygel so you can cure the underside. You have some full cover tips that are in the coffin shape, as well as dual forms that come in 12 different sizes. These are the straight curve, not the empress curve. You have your slip solution, which I actually ended up not using, your 3-in-1 base coat, top coat, of course your polygel brush with the brush on one end and the picker on the other. This kit comes with a little dampen dish, I guess you could call it, or a slip solution holder. And it actually is pretty deep, has these little lids on it so you can just close it up, put it to the side. Comes with some butterflies, which is almost pretty standard with kits now. A 180 grit hand file and 8 different colors. So for this kit I use colors 2, 3, 5, and 6. I thought those were the best looking ones. I also just have my nails already applied with the après-dupe method. I'm going to be using the 3-in-1, and the reason why it is 3-in-1 is because you can use it as a base coat, a nail glue to glue your tips on, and also as a slip solution if you did not want to use the liquid, and also because there's a lot of shortages in regards to having alcohol, which is usually used as a slip solution for polygel. Then I top coat the underneath because I did plan on doing clear nails on all 5, but I ended up doing just 2. With this polygel, I will say that it is very soft, and because of this it was a little hard to kind of keep the brush from becoming sticky and tacky. However, it was very easy to manipulate and move the polygel around. Moving on to the middle finger as well as the ring finger, I am using number 3, which is the light pink, and it wasn't until I put it on my nail that I realized that it's very sheer. I can see straight through to my après-dupe method that I already had on. With these 2 nails, I'm going to be trying to do an ombre effect, so I put a little bead in the middle, just kind of drag it down a little bit, and then I do go right back on top of that with the second bead, which also helps to build the apex, and then I cover it with some glitter, and of course cap it in clear. You do want to cap the nails in clear just to ensure that when it is time for filing, you're not filing away the ombre that you just spent all this time doing. I also do just want to mention that between each layer of polygel that I do always cure my nails in the lamp for at least 60 seconds. So with this pinky nail, I was so out of frame that I just decided to cut the whole application portion out. So what you see me doing is just smoothing out a few things, making sure that it's nice and even on all ends, all portions of the tip are covered. So I'm going in on my thumbnail with this mauve color, which I actually really liked a lot. I did have some Swarovski stones that matched this that I was originally going to use, but decided not to. I don't think I even put any stones on this set at all. I just kind of left the glitter and the application, and that was it. On this thumbnail, you can also see a better representation of what I mean when I say this polygel is really, really soft. As soon as the brush touches it, it makes indents and it's already moving around. It's kind of wonky as well. I'm just doing my best to smooth it out with my slip solution. Like I said, I didn't use the liquid slip solution that came with this kit. And I chose not to because I use a gel slip solution by Savvyland, which coats the brush a little bit better and allows for me to brush over the polygel without picking up too much of it since it is very sticky. And here's just a little last minute glitter add-on that I decided to do, and I thought it was pretty cute. I'm also going to be capping this in clear as well so that I don't file off the design, like the little squiggle design that I did with the glitter. And here you can actually also see me dipping into that slip solution that I like to use. So this is the finished product. After I finish applying everything to all the nails, no filing was done at this time. I'm going in with my Melody Susie 2-in-1. With the 2-in-1, it is a dust collector and a hand piece in one. So you see little buttons down on the bottom. It controls how fast, the direction, as well the low or the high suction. And I also noticed too, I assume because the polygel is so soft with this kit, the dust that comes from filing is very, very fine. With most polygel kits, the dust is pretty thick, chunky, but this one was very fine, very light dust, so it didn't require much dusting off of my hands. Now these are my nails after the filing. I didn't really have to do too much crazy filing because, like I said, the polygel was so soft I was able to kind of manipulate it perfectly for a perfect application. And I'm just top coating these nails using the same top coat from the polygel kit. This is also where me putting top coat on the underside of the nail comes into play. The clear on this one was pretty cloudy, as you'll see kind of when I finish doing the top coat. So normally when you top coat the underside, it's like crystal clear depending on which polygel you use, so that's why I did that. So these are the nails after the top coat, and like I said, those two middle nails are really cloudy. You can't see the tip at all, and I do not like that. So what I ended up doing was filing that portion off, the clear portion off, and replacing it with Macart polygel. So that's after I did the filing, and I'm gonna just be doing a quick application. And Macart clear polygel is actually the clearest on the market. There are some acrygels that are pretty clear, like if you use SXC brand, SXC Cosmetics, their acrygel is pretty clear as well, but this one is like strictly polygel, and it is very, very clear. You never have to question if you're gonna get good results using a Macart clear. I did do the filing off screen. I didn't want you guys to have to sit through that process all over again. And I'm just adding some cuticle oil to my nails. And that is it. This is the finished product using the Burano Glitter Polygel Kit. And of course, you can follow me on all social media under Glamorous by KJI. I am also a small business owner. I do sell nail decals, glitters, rhinestones, so you can check out my site as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you like and subscribe.